When it comes to healthy digestion, one of the common questions come up is there an easier way to get food into the body where it's maybe already pre-digested or broken down so that the body would process it easier, especially if you have difficulty with the health of your gut? And that leads to a lot of people having a lot of shakes and a lot of smoothies. Now, I'll be honest, I love shakes, I love smoothies. I have one a day. I love throwing in a quality protein powder. I love throwing in quality greens. I love adding some healthy fats like avocado or cacao butter or coconut butter. But I will encourage you to exercise caution when it comes to smoothies because it really is not the way your body was designed to eat. Your digestive system assumed that you would be eating whole foods. And I want you to think about what happens when you actually have a smoothie. You take all these whole foods, you blend them, you churn them up, you drink them down, and sometimes that gets into the digestive system within a matter of minutes. When frankly, if you were to eat all of those foods slowly with a fork, chew them all, it would take you much longer than it would to wolf down that smoothie. And the truth is, when you don't give your body the ability to do that, it actually can interfere with your digestion. So there's a couple tips that we have when we talk about making smoothies. The first thing is, you don't have to churn it up all the way. Churn up those whole foods really as little as possible. So that way you're getting a great smoothie, but still giving your body a chance to chew that drink. The expression is that you should chew the drink, but then you want to chew it so much that then you're going to drink your food. When you chew, that stimulates the digestive enzymes so that your body breaks down the food. A lot of people are out taking a digestive enzyme. You know what? If you chew your food better, your enzymatic process in your body is going to be better and smarter and more efficient at breaking down the food that you're consuming. And that's what you want. You want your body to do the work. You don't want a supplement to always have to do the work for you. So the first thing is you don't have to chew it up, churn it up all the way. I would say put in whole foods there as much as you possibly can and consume them over the same period of time that it would take you to eat them. You don't have to drink a smoothie within 5 minutes. Really, I would consume it more over about a 20-minute period. And something else that you can also really aim to do is make that smoothie as thick as you possibly can. It's interesting, the last few years, people now talk about the smoothie bowl. And I really think that if you're going to have blended whole foods, eating it out of a bowl with a spoon as well is better for your digestion, as opposed to completely pulverizing everything, letting it getting into the GI too quickly, bypassing your body's natural digestive processes. So I'm not saying never have a smoothie, but there's definitely some better ways to have a smoothie. And I would also say try to do this maybe once a day at most. Ideally, our bodies are designed to be eating whole foods. Where we really get into problems is when people switch over to a plan and now all of a sudden they're having 2 smoothies a day or 3 smoothies a day. Remember, make this as a great complement to your MaxLiving nutrition plan, rooted in whole foods first.